I've tried my pedagogical flexibility. I need to start moving more into adaptation. You need an IEP for adaptation and modification. What's that process look like to start an IEP and kind of the nuts and bolts of it? And what's its purpose really?
Wow, that's a great question. So I'm going to go right off the cuff here. So I'm putting pedagogical flexibility in place for my students. Go back to the graphic organizer example. And so the students in my class have a digital one. Maybe they're using Inspiration. They have a paper copy. I've taught them both. And there's a certain student or certain students in my classroom that if they do not use the graphic organizer, they cannot write a coherent story. So pedagogical flexibility, guys, we write better stories when we plan them out. The purpose of planning is it gives us time to reflect, add in ideas. So everybody's going to use some form of a graphic organizer. The next step is that student that their ideas don't come out coherently unless they use the graphic organizer. So it's a tool, the IEP, to answer the question, would be a tool for success. The student can write a full-blown narrative, but not if they don't use the graphic organizer to access the success, to really plan out their ideas, talk out their ideas, and make sure that they're in a coherent order. When I look at the movement from PedFlex to adaptations, I always think necessary in nature. It's necessary for the student. If a strong writer in the PedFlex said to me, "Oh, Miss Scott, I do not need to use a graphic organizer. I have this system," go ahead. They're working to their strength, but the necessity of the tool is what makes it an adaptation for me. We take the tool away, they do not have success. The tool, the strategy, the documented objective.
Right.
And